Time to talk first alert weather.
Yeah, the Chief's here. Scott Padgett, what we got coming up, my man?
Another hot day. One of those teddy bears, I'd freeze it to hang on to it to hug tomorrow because it's going to be a hot one again. The humidity definitely in play. 92 degrees right now in Fort Worth, mix of sun and clouds greeting you. Winds out of the south, southeast at 21. So we're rounding out the month. So May high temperatures, it's the 4th hottest May on record. Yahoo, we survived it. So, yeah, in the top 5 with about 88.8 degrees as the average high temperature. Next 3 days, well, we're hot again tomorrow. 93, rain chances around 20% going up to about a 50-60% chance for tomorrow night. And then into Thursday, that leftover rain chance at 40% holding on. But cooler temperatures on the way. We're at 81 Thursday, Friday 84. So a little bit of a cool down on the way. Now, the satellite and radar combined right now shows that we're seeing a lot of sunshine, a couple of clouds dotting the sky off to the northwest. Severe thunderstorm warnings, even tornado warnings, the southwest sides of Oklahoma with those supercell storms that have popped up on the cold front that's going to slide its way down to the southeast. There is the severe thunderstorm watch. All the areas indicated in yellow does not include North Texas. The reason I'm talking about that, though, is some of the thunderstorm activity might drift its way closer towards our Red River counties after midnight to near 2 in the morning, might make its way into parts of Montague County and Cook County. But other than that, we remain dry. Stratus clouds will be in place for tomorrow morning. You're going to notice that southerly wind holding on. Then we might see a couple of spotty showers into the afternoon and then into the early evening hours. Late tomorrow night, that's when we start to see more organized activity between 11 to near midnight, making its way into parts of North Texas as our rain and storm chances go up with the front moving through. So 3 to 4 to 5 in the morning, maybe a lot of heavy rain greeting you, some rumbles of thunder. The severe threat is low, but definitely some much needed rain on the way. Thursday morning, the south and southeast sides of North Texas, still some rain sticking around before then we start to dry out just a little bit more. How much rain can we talk about? Well, in some spots, we might get as much as 1.5 inches to maybe 2 inches of rain. Now, this model's a little bit aggressive in Corsicana, like a storm just stopped right over it. More than 5 inches of rain, but I don't think we'll get that, but we will get maybe 1 to 1.5 in some spots. Right now, dry at DFW, 93 degrees. Our winds out of the south, southeast at 17, gusting up to 30. We're at 92 Decatur, 91 Duncanville, 90 McKinney. So really warm as we're going through our afternoon hours now into our evening hours. So you saw that sneak peek of the temperatures. We're down to 81 Thursday, Friday 84. We get rid of the clouds, still some leftover rain chances on Saturday. And then I have to step out of the way because by the time we go into next week, we're going to be flirting with that 100-degree mark by next Tuesday.